definitely made mistakes on this take. Whatever. It's our last minute and a half.
I want to make bread. I gotta start alone. I want to make bread and eat it with egg and cheese.
I like when the bass and drums fit in there.
Cheese, Louise.
After cheese, right?
It's hilarious.
I want it bread, coconut shreds, and sesame seeds right before bed. On and on.
Nice. I kind of like that pause. That was cool.
On and on. Your silence calls my bluff. I pack up all my stuff. It's too soon to break up. We're not even dating. On and on.
Yeah. I like his the hesitation that we roll in. That's nice. See, my little mistakes might be okay. I didn't even notice.
It's important if Sylus doesn't notice.
And if he feels it was a good take, then he makes the final call. Obviously.
Exactly.
I want it said. I want it done. I want street cred.
That's as bossy and badass as Sylus gets in his
I
lyrics right there.
want to have fun.
That could be a cool ending to the record. I like that actually. That's a very cool last take.